the Old Fiddlers Convention in Galax, Virginia. Galax, located in the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains, is renowned for its rich musical heritage and vibrant community. Every year, this charming town becomes the epicenter of traditional Appalachian music with the Old Fiddlers Convention, drawing musicians and fans from all over the world. The Old Fiddlers Convention, established in 1935, is one of the longest-running and most prestigious music festivals of its kind. It celebrates the best in old-time and bluegrass music, offering a platform for musicians to showcase their talents and compete for top honors in various categories. Competitors at the convention vie in numerous categories, including fiddle, banjo, mandolin, guitar, bass, and more. The competition is intense, with musicians of all ages and skill levels striving for the coveted titles. It's a celebration of musical excellence and a testament to the enduring popularity of traditional Appalachian music. Throughout the years, the Old Fiddlers Convention has featured a multitude of renowned musicians and bands. Past participants include legends like Lester Flatt, Earl Scruggs, and Doc Watson. These artists have graced the stage, leaving an indelible mark on the history of the convention and the broader music community. But the convention is more than just a competition. It's a gathering of music lovers and a celebration of community. The event features spontaneous jam sessions, workshops, and social gatherings, allowing attendees to connect, share music, and create lasting memories. Whether you're a musician or a music enthusiast, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The convention is held at Felts Park, a beautiful outdoor venue that provides the perfect setting for the festivities. With its scenic backdrop and spacious grounds, Felts Park offers an ideal environment for enjoying music, meeting fellow enthusiasts, and soaking in the festival atmosphere. If you're passionate about traditional Appalachian music and looking for an event that combines top-notch performances, a sense of history, and a vibrant community spirit, the Old Fiddlers Convention in Galax is the place to be. For more details and event dates, be sure to check out the official website. Keep in mind, this platform is all about creating positive festival experiences. So if you're a seasoned festival goer with insider tips for the upcoming festival, please share them in the comments. By sharing information and tips, we all can create a fantastic festival experience for everyone. Be sure to like, share, follow, and subscribe to Pro Festival Finder so we can help you ditch the FOMO and find your festival mojo. Let's make the world a better place, one festival at a time. Thanks for being part of the Pro Festival Finder community.